Beef and potato, a match made in heaven. Hi lovelies, thank you for stopping by and welcome to Recipes by Jenny. In today's video, we will be preparing this delicious, absolutely mouth-watering beef and potato stew. Let's get into the video. Start by cutting your beef into chunks like so. And then we will be adding bay leaves, fresh rosemary, finely ground black pepper, some cloves, carrots, onions, chili pepper, both green and red, salt, and lastly, red wine. Ensure that the meat is completely covered with the wine. Now the fun part. Cover and allow to marinate for at least 12 hours. This would allow all the beautiful flavors to marinate. You can imagine, just imagine how this beef would taste. This is the next day. Remove the meat. Remove the bay leaves and the fresh rosemary and set aside. To the rest of the ingredients in the pot, bring to a boil. Once it starts boiling, remove from the heat, blend and set aside. The taste of this is already magic. I'm getting so excited. To the meat, add a bit more black pepper and mix together. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. To a pot, add olive oil and then add the meat. Sear on each side for around 5 to 7 minutes. After searing the meat on both sides, we would be adding a mixture of roughly blended pepper mix, which is a combination of paprika and onions. Continue sauteing for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add beef bouillon seasoning, and then the sauce which we prepared earlier. Also add the bay leaves and fresh rosemary which we used to marinate the meat. Add some water, add salt, simmer on low heat for around 1 hour. The goal is to slowly cook the meat until it is tender. After 1 hour, the meat is tender. If the meat is still tough, then continue cooking. Otherwise, we can move over to the next step. And add potatoes and carrots. Add some paprika powder, water if it's required. Cover and cook until the potatoes and carrots are well done. And voila! Our beef and potato stew is ready to be enjoyed. This turned out to be absolutely delicious, bursting with flavors from all angles. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've watched until this point, let me know in the comments section if you tried this recipe, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you receive a notification whenever I post a new video. And until next time, remain blessed.